Stop breaking your back trying to reach the bottom of your windshield. Today we're going to be reviewing a product that saves your back and your wallet. This is the XINDELL Windshield Cleaner. It comes with an extendable handle and a set of reusable microfiber pads. The mini spray bottle, a detailing sponge, and the additional storage bag is also a nice feature. The head pivots 180 degrees and has a triangular shape for deep corner cleaning. Use your favorite glass cleaning solution and apply it to the microfiber pad. Apply a liberal amount of cleaning solution on the microfiber pad, ensuring a proper coverage. Cleaning your windows and your windshield has never been so easy and effortless. Swapping out your microfiber pad is easy, just pull it off. Dry out your window with a clean microfiber pad, leaving a streak-free finish. Honestly, it's a solid prosumer tool. It's perfect for an affordable gift for any car lover in your life. Grab one via my Amazon link in the description. Like and subscribe for more detail and boss tips.